Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mitali Mil from SYBBA Division D and my roll number is 286. Today I am going to talk about Indian woman entrepreneur. Her, her, her name is Aditi Gupta. She is the founder of Menstrupedia magazine. Woman entrepreneur Aditi Gupta. Aditi Gupta is an Indian author, co-founder and managing partner of Menstrupedia Comic. She is 34-year-old engineering graduate and a new media design post-graduation from National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. She was born in Gahwa, Jharkhand, India. Aditi started menstruating at age of 12 but only learned about it at the age of 15 when she was taught about it in ninth standard in her school. Aditi's family belonged to an old school. She had customs which had no logic. She had to sleep separately, wash the clothes separately, wasn't allowed to touch place of worship in her childhood. Moreover, she was not allowed to buy sanitary napkins for the fear of loss of family's dignity. She was told to use old clothes. The lack of awareness and education about menstruation motivated her to undergo research on the subject for 1 year, and this way Menstrupedia was born. Menstrupedia is a colorful, fun, friendly, and accessible guide to periods which help girls and women to stay healthy and active during their periods. It aims at delivering informative and entertaining content through different media. It is a step to shatter the myth and understanding pertaining to menstruation. Its story revolves around three girls who hasn't started period yet periods, one who has started their periods and one who has had period for some time. It talked about experience with periods. It aims at girl age 9 and above. Both the online and comic book content has been reviewed by medical professions to check its accuracy. Reach of Menstrupedia. Menstrupedia comic has been integrated into curriculum of 70 schools across India, used by more than 6,000 schools, 120 NGOs like Protsahan, Munshi Jagannath Bhagwan Smriti Shanshan, Instincts Kana, along with two Buddhist monasteries in Ladakh and 250,000 girls. It spread knowledge in 18 different countries and has been translated into 11 languages. Aditi's achievement. Aditi is World Economic Forum Global Shaper and made it to a achievers list of Forbes India under 30 in 2040 for her work towards breaking taboo around menstruation. Her work has been featured in the Wall Street Journal, CNBC and BBC. Aditi says our plan is to build an educational infrastructure not only for girls but for everyone to talk about periods in friendly, free way. I know it's going to take decades, but eventually I want to raise generation of girls who are periods positive when they become mother. When they raise their own girls, period taboo would vanish from the generation. They wouldn't even know such taboo. Aditi had to face some criticisms also. Aditi received a lot of criticism in the beginning, but today she has been acknowledged by several. Many Hindu religious leaders say that they might be doing good, but they don't know anything about religion. According to one article, 23 million girls in India drop out of school when they start menstruating. Till date, it is a rarely discussed topic in the school and colleges. Girls are still told to keep it a secret, even from the family member, and considered as impure. Several girls are still living their lives in embarrassment of illogical menstrual beliefs and customs. If any girl tries to raise voice against it, she is also criticized like the like. Thank you, ma'am.